What if I told you that right now, an AI is learning to do your job? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The AI revolution is unfolding fast. By 2030, up to 800 million jobs could disappear. Will you be one of them, or will you adapt and thrive? Let's break it down. 2 years ago, AI chatbots were a novelty. Today, they write essays, diagnose diseases, and develop software. AI isn't just here to help. It's here to replace jobs. Unlike past revolutions, AI's impact isn't happening over decades. It's happening in months. If you think you have time to adapt, think again. Let's pinpoint where AI is making the biggest impact. These are the disruption zones. If your job falls into one, it's time to rethink your strategy. Content creation. AI is taking over writing, video editing, and music production. A 96% drop in website traffic? That's AI answering questions instead of people reading articles. Transportation. Self-driving tech is advancing rapidly. 4 million trucking jobs in the U.S. alone, at risk. Knowledge work. AI is replacing paralegals, junior accountants, and even programmers. A $20 per month AI can do the same job instantly. AI isn't stopping at entry-level jobs. It's climbing the skill ladder, fast. Think about the ripple effects. When people lose jobs, spending drops, businesses shut down, the economy collapses. The profits from AI don't go to workers. They go to tech giants. History shows that when technology displaces jobs without solutions, we get unrest. The difference? AI isn't just replacing manual labor. It's replacing human thinking. Police Scarlight journalism. AI writes news articles. Some newspapers have cut their writing staff by 30%. Police Scarlight retail. Self-checkout and Amazon Go stores eliminate cashiers. Police Scarlight human resources. AI screens, resumes, conducts interviews, and even hires employees. One Fortune 500 company replaced 40% of its recruiting team with AI. This is just the beginning. Imagine what's coming in 5 years. Survival strategies. Take a deep breath. You can survive the AI wave. Here's your AI resilience toolkit. White heavy checkmark strategic res killing. Learn high value. AI resistant skills. Problem solving, creative thinking, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment. White heavy checkmark become an AI collaborator. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI plus humans. The best designers, writers, and coders use AI to 10x their productivity. White heavy checkmark specialize in human-centered niches. AI can automate mass market content, but premium human services, coaching, expert consulting, therapy will always have value. On a societal level, we need policies like universal basic income and AI taxation. But waiting for solutions is risky. The pace of change is too fast. Your best bet? Adapt now. We're at a crossroads. One path, displacement, economic collapse, chaos. The other, AI enhancing human creativity and purpose. The difference? How we respond. Right now. So, what's your plan for surviving the AI era? Drop a comment below with your industry and how you're adapting. If this video helped you, hit like and share with someone whose job might be at risk. The future belongs to the adaptable.